Unlock your fitness potential, the ultimate beginner's guide. Visuals, people struggling at the gym, looking confused about where to start. Do you dream of sculpting a strong, lean, and muscular physique, but feel lost in the fitness maze? Are you tired of sifting through endless, ineffective advice? It's time to stop the confusion. This video is your definitive roadmap to kickstart your fitness journey the right way. Visuals, a vibrant plate showcasing high-protein foods, followed by a person savoring a clean, nutritious meal. Remember, you can't outtrain a poor diet. Your physique is sculpted in the kitchen first, and then refined in the gym. Nutrition is the cornerstone of your fitness success. Here's how to optimize your diet to simultaneously build muscle and shed unwanted fat. Tip number 1. Prioritize protein intake. Whey protein is the essential building block for muscle tissue. Without adequate protein, your body simply cannot repair and build new muscle fibers after your workouts. Best sources: load up on lean sources like chicken breast, fish, salmon, tuna, eggs, lentils, nuts, almonds, walnuts, and Greek yogurt. Tip number 2, embrace a balanced diet. Complement your protein intake with healthy fats and complex carbohydrates. These macronutrients provide sustained energy and support optimal muscle recovery. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods such as brown rice, sweet potatoes, avocados, and olive oil. These nutrient-dense options fuel your body with essential vitamins and minerals. Tip number 3, eliminate junk food and sugar. Processed foods are the enemy of your fitness goals. They lead to fat gain and hinder your body's ability to recover effectively. Replace sugary drinks, processed snacks, and fast food with natural, whole foods. And remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water. You won't build a sculpted physique by solely relying on cardio or endless abdominal exercises. You need to challenge your muscles through resistance training to stimulate growth. Here's your guide to effective strength training. Tip number 1, master compound movements. Focus on exercises that engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. These are your powerhouses for building overall strength and muscle mass. Prioritize squats, deadlifts, push-ups, pull-ups, and bench presses. These exercises maximize your results by working multiple muscle groups in one go. Tip number 2, train smart, not just hard. Beginners need adequate rest to allow their muscles to recover and grow stronger. Overtraining can lead to injuries and hinder progress. Consider a workout plan that includes upper body, day 1, lower body, day 2, full body, day 3. This allows for sufficient recovery between sessions. Tip number 3, embrace progressive overload. Progressive overload is the key to continuous muscle growth. It involves gradually increasing the demands on your muscles over time. Add more weight, increase the number of repetitions, or perform more sets each week. By consistently challenging your muscles, you force them to adapt and grow stronger. Remember, you don't build muscle in the gym, you build it while resting. Sleep is when your body repairs and rebuilds muscle tissue. If you skimp on sleep, you're sabotaging your gains. Tip number 1, prioritize sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This is when your body releases growth hormones, which are essential for muscle growth and repair. Tip number 2, embrace rest days. Rest days are not optional, they are essential. Your muscles need at least 48 hours to recover after intense training. Don't overtrain. Tip number 3, hydrate and stretch. Drink 3 to 4 liters of water daily to keep your muscles strong, flexible, and well hydrated. Dehydration can lead to muscle cramps and decreased performance. Incorporate daily stretching to prevent injuries and maintain flexibility. This will keep you active and training consistently for longer. Many beginners become discouraged and quit too soon because they don't see immediate results. But the truth is, building muscle takes time and dedication. Stay consistent, and you will see results. Tip number 1, track your progress. Keep a record of your workouts, weight lifted, and body measurements. This allows you to monitor your progress and stay motivated. Take weekly photos to visually track your transformation. Seeing the changes in your physique will fuel your motivation. Tip number 2, set realistic goals. Muscle growth is a slow and steady process. Aim for a realistic goal of 1 to 2 pounds of muscle gain per month. Tip number 3, find a routine and stick to it. The best workout plan is the one you can consistently follow. Find a routine that fits your lifestyle and stick to it. Consistency is more important than perfection. Even small, consistent efforts will yield significant results over time. Visuals. Quick cuts of people working out, eating healthy, and staying motivated, showcasing a holistic approach to fitness. Bonus number 1. Incorporate cardio. Cardio helps burn fat without sacrificing muscle mass. Aim for 15-20 minutes of walking or high-intensity interval training. HIIT. Bonus number 2. Find a workout buddy. Training with a friend keeps you accountable, motivated, and pushes you to work harder. Bonus number 3. Follow a structured plan. Random workouts lead to random results. Have a well-defined workout plan and stick to it. This ensures you're targeting all muscle groups effectively and progressing towards your goals. Building a strong, lean, and athletic body isn't a matter of luck or genetics. It's a result of smart training, proper nutrition, and unwavering consistency. Start implementing these 5 simple steps today, and you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve in just a few months. Remember, every journey begins with a single step.